Hello everybody, Mr. Heave here, and today we're going to be talking about Boolean operators. Boolean operators are going to give us a true or a false statement when we are finished with them, when we print them out. Now, there are a few Boolean operators that we need to deal with. The first thing we want to look at is greater than less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. One you already know, which is equal, if the left side is equal to the right side, and then not equal to. Those are the ones we're going to focus on. Now, to show you where the greater than and less than are, I have a red bar here. And above the red bar, it's the less than, which is above the comma. So shift and the comma button. And the greater than is to the right, which is shift and the period. So once we have that, we can go to our replet. So on our replet, I have the first one printed out. Print 7 is greater than 3. If I run it, it's just going to put true over there. If the statement was false, if I said 1 is greater than 3, it's going to give us a false statement. So there's just two things that a Boolean will give you. It'll give you a true or it'll give you a false. Now, if I said 1 is equal 1, we're checking if the left side is equal to the right. If I said 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, now the left side and the right side have the same value, and those are going to be, it's going to be true. All right. Now, if I wanted to see if this is less than or equal to 3, I have to write that in the exact same way, less than and then an equal sign after. Now that's going to be true. If I move this up here, so 3 plus 1, that's going to be false because 4 is greater than 3. So we have a less than or equal to, and then greater than or equal to will look like this. Is 4 greater than or equal to 3? Yes, that's true. Now there's one other statement, and that's not equal to. Is 1 plus 3 not equal to 3? That's true. Those are not equal. Is 1 plus 3 not equal to 4? This will give us false because those things are not equal. So that's a double negative there. It kind of sounds funny. But so not equal is exclamation, which is the shift and the 1 key, and then an equal sign afterwards. Now, most of these that I've shown you, greater than, or less than or equal to, are only used with numbers. But this one can be used with strings as well. I can say is dogs not equal to dogs, and this should be true because those two things are not equal. One has a lowercase and the other one has an uppercase. So equals and not equal to, exclamation equals, can be used with strings and numbers, but the other ones can just be used with numbers.